Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Durango license plate light. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new replacement bulb, often a 194 or 168 type, and a clean cloth. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and visibility. This simple repair can be done quickly with the right preparation, ensuring your vehicle remains compliant and visible on the road. Now, let's access the light housing. Locate the small plastic housing above your license plate on the rear bumper. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully insert it into the small notch on one side of the housing. Gently pry the cover outwards. Be sure to apply light, even pressure to avoid breaking the plastic clips that hold it in place. The cover should pop off with minimal effort, revealing the bulb inside. With the housing cover removed, you'll see the bulb socket. Gently twist the entire socket assembly counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Once unlocked, pull the socket straight out. The old bulb can then be pulled directly out of the socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands to prevent oil transfer. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Insert the socket with the new bulb back into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Then, carefully align the light housing cover and press it firmly until it snaps back into position. Test the new light to ensure it's working correctly. This quick fix keeps your Durango safe and legal. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.